If you're searching for a Bluehost coupon code, there's something important you should know before you buy. Most people spend time looking for promo codes that only save a few dollars, but Bluehost actually offers much bigger savings through exclusive discounted pricing that many users overlook. In this video, I'll show you how to claim an exclusive Bluehost discount that can get you up to 78% off web hosting, plus a free domain name for your first year on qualifying annual plans. I'll also explain which Bluehost plans offer the biggest discounts, how the hosting terms affect pricing, and how to choose the option that gives you the best value for your money. Let's jump in. To get started, click the Bluehost discount link in the description below. The link will take you directly to Bluehost's special offer page where the exclusive discounted pricing is already applied. Quick disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no additional cost to you. You still receive the exclusive Bluehost discount on the lowest available pricing through the offer page. Once you're on the Bluehost website, click the View WordPress Plans button to view the available hosting plans. You now see Bluehost hosting plan options. Bluehost currently offers 4 hosting plans to choose from. The one-site plan is Bluehost's most affordable hosting option. With the exclusive Bluehost discount, you can get up to 78% off with pricing starting as low as $199 per month. This plan is ideal if you're creating a single website and want the lowest possible starting cost. The starter plan offers additional features and flexibility. With the exclusive offer, you can get up to 70% off with pricing starting as low as $299 per month. This plan is a popular choice for beginners who want room to grow. If you're building a business website, Bluehost offers the Business Essentials plan. With the discount applied, pricing starts as low as $599 per month, representing savings of up to 57% off. This plan includes more advanced tools and features designed for business websites. For online stores, Bluehost offers the eCommerce Essentials plan. With the exclusive Bluehost discount, pricing starts as low as $699 per month. It includes savings of up to 68% off. This option is designed specifically for users looking to sell products online. Before selecting a plan, it's important to understand how Bluehost hosting terms affect pricing. Bluehost offers monthly billing, 1-year term, 2-year term, 3-year term, 4-year term. In general, the longer the hosting term you choose, the lower your monthly cost becomes. The 3-year and 4-year terms provides the biggest overall discounts and lowest monthly pricing available. If you prefer a shorter commitment, the 1-year and 2-year terms still provide excellent savings compared to monthly billing. Monthly hosting offers the most flexibility, but it comes at a higher monthly cost. Choosing the right term depends on your budget, long-term goals, and how long you plan to keep your website online. Another valuable benefit included with Bluehost annual hosting plans is a free domain name for your first year. If you choose a 1-year, 2-year, 3-year, or 4-year hosting term, you'll receive a free domain registration for the first year. However, the free domain offer is not included with monthly hosting plans. If you already have a domain name, you can connect it to Bluehost instead. If your primary goal is getting the lowest possible monthly price, the 3-year and 4-year terms will provide the best value. If you want a balance between flexibility and savings, the 1-year and 2-year terms are excellent options. For most beginners looking to maximize savings, the longer-term options typically offer the strongest overall value. Once you've chosen your hosting plan and term length, continue through Bluehost's sign-up process. You'll be able to register your free domain name if you're on an annual plan, and your account information and complete checkout. After checkout, you'll gain access to your Bluehost account dashboard where you can begin building your website. And that's how to claim the Bluehost coupon code discount and get the biggest Bluehost savings available. Using the exclusive Bluehost offer can save you up to 78% off hosting, provide a free domain name on qualifying annual plans, and help you lock in lower pricing for the long term. If you'd like to claim the Bluehost discount, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.